Today we have 2023 Honda Civic. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life on. So we're going to turn the vehicle on. It can be running or not running. And we're going to go here and hit home. Go to settings, I believe. Yep, maintenance reset. Click it, then you can reset them individually, or if you go to the top, you can go to all new items. Reset completed. Then we'll verify. Go into maintenance. Boom, baby. And just like that, I hope this video helped. Got the job done for you. Have a good day. God bless.